कौन हो तुम? रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप होते हैं।
Woohoo! Pops of Crypto, podcast number 4, and 100% viewership increase. 60 से 120 हो गए एंड हमारे साथ आज एंड गुरुजी आज वापस आ गए हैं। 2 दिन से बहुत थके हुए थे और ऐसा लग रहा है कि दुनिया में इतने बच्चे निकालने के बाद ये बहुत थकान आ गई है इनकी।
Please give us your 2 stats for the day.
Yes, Guruji, please.
So I've right now been following. Hello. हाँ.
Yes.
So,
the blockchain can hear you fine.
Okay. तो कल से I've been following this interesting channel. एकदम मस्त क्या ऐसा लैंग्वेज बात किया ना, एकदम फोड़ दिया मेरे दिमाग का। ये शेयर माय स्क्रीन।
क्या अपना वाला ही है क्या?
अरे नहीं, जबरदस्त, क्या आदमी है, क्या बात कर रहा था, मजा आ गया। होल्ड कर, लेट मी इसको बोलते हैं असली लैंग्वेज। अपने को आता ही नहीं है। ये देख,
की नस्लों की जिंदगी बदल देती थी, लेकिन अब सवाल यह है कि क्या बिटकॉइन आम शख्स के हाथ से निकल चुका है या वक्त अब भी बाकी है? इस बदलती हकीकत को समझना सबसे जरूरी है। गुज़िश्ता चंद हफ्तों से क्रिप्टो इंटेलिजेंस फर्म 10x रिसर्च इस मौजू पर मुसलसल बात कर रही थी और इस बात का मकसद ये था कि
You got that shit, dude?
मुसलसल
पाकिस्तानी न्यूज़ चैनल साउंड कर रहे हैं।
हाँ एकदम।
अरे
वो नहीं आता था सावधान इंडिया, वैसा लग रहा है।
हाँ, स्टाइल सावधान इंडिया, लैंग्वेज पाकिस्तानी न्यूज़।
अरे दूर, ये सुनिए, तो इसने लाइफ लेसन दिया है यहाँ पे। होल्ड कर, ये सुन ले।
बिटकॉइन की सबसे बड़ी हकीकत यह है कि ये हमेशा उन हाथों में जाता है जो खामोशी में ईमान रखते हैं।
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
खामोशी में ईमान
रखते हैं। एपिक
ब्रो, that is the way of life. खामोशी में ईमान।
ऐसा माल मार के बैठा है ना, मेरे को भी सूखता है सेम माल। क्या माल मारा है उससे, खतरनाक।
खामोशी में ईमान ब्रो।
डूड, जो बिटकॉइन के जो विनर्स है खामोशी ईमान ले रखते हैं, समझ रहा है क्या? नहीं तो लॉस।
चलो ईमान रखते हैं। तो एक क्वेश्चन है जो सबकी जबान पे है और हर आदमी यही पूछ रहा है, और गुरुजी भी आज आ गए हैं, तो ये बात का खुलासा कर लेते हैं कि खामोशी से ईमान रखने का टाइम गया क्या? इज द बिटकॉइन बुल मार्केट ओवर और इज इट नॉट? एंड क्या लगता है तुम लोग को? एक एक करके अपने अपने व्यूज दे दो, तो ताकि लोग जो आ रहे हैं उनको समझ में आ जाए।
हाँ ब्रो, चार्ट तो नेचुरली अप एंड डाउन, सेम शिट, लुक्स लिटिल बेयरिश एट दिस पॉइंट। आई थिंक लग रहा है कि जाएगा 98 तक, तो तब तक या तो शॉर्ट ले लो या तो होल्ड ऑफ कर लो एंड टेक अ लॉन्ग देयर। अगर बट आई वुड से स्टे अवे फ्रॉम लेवरेज। कि अगर तू खेल रहा भी है तो 2x के ऊपर मत लगा बिटकॉइन के ऊपर एट दिस पॉइंट। 2-3x उसके ऊपर जाएगा तो उड़ेगा। अभी पूरा हफ्ता ब्लडी ऑल द अनाउंसमेंट कमिंग आउट द एंटायर वीक। FOMC आ रहा है, पता नहीं क्या क्या आ रहा है। एंड ऑफ कोर्स अपना दोस्त ट्रम्प भाई इज always ruming some random shit is coming out, so I would say just be careful. There's no direction or trend in my brain. It could be bearish, it could be bullish. As per the 1 minute candles, it could go anywhere. So
up or down.
So, but right now I'm just staying on the sidelines because there's no direction coming out over here. या तो price बढ़ रहा है, is increasing on reducing volumes, which is not a good sign. तो स्ट्रेंथ तो है नहीं चार्ट पे, बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी इज राइट नाउ लिटिल नर्वस व्हाट्स गोना हैपन। आई फील शॉर्ट टर्म में तो जाएगा 98 तक, फिर वहां से घूमेगा होपफुली। पर आई थिंक व्हेन वी सी द कैंडल, हां,
एंड घूम के कहां 98 से फिर
अपवर्ड्स
जन्नत। अब उसके बाद हम मुसलसल जन्नत पे पहुंच जाएंगे कि नहीं?
उसके बाद हम बैठ के देखेंगे क्या सूरत हाल है। अभी तो फिलहाल लुक्स लाइक 98 तक आसपास जाएगा।
अभी तो फिलहाल धमाल है।
अभी तो बस just hold on to your pants and just sit down quietly.
चलो भाई, रियलिस्ट भाई, तू भी बता दे कि क्या सीन है।
मैं आज आखिरी में बताऊंगा, आखिरी
ठीक
में
है,
बताऊंगा।
आज नरकुंडी बताएगा डूड, ऐसे कैसे? उसको कोई मौका ही नहीं
मैं
मिला
भी
ऐसा लगे।
हाँ करेक्ट, मैं अभी खामोशी का क्या क्या बोला था उस बंदे ने, खामोशी का।
खामोशी से ईमान रखना है।
हाँ, मैं अभी खामोशी से ईमान रखूंगा अगले 15 मिनट के लिए।
ओके
Okay, my take. I think
Yeah.
the cycle is not going to repeat how it's been. So
Ah.
सबकी expectations change करनी पड़ेगी.
तो यू थिंक
क्या है वो एक्सपेक्टेशन?
Expectations की 10x, 100x and all वो सब throw it out of the window. जब BlackRock enter कर रहा था, Anthony Pompliano, the guy, he had a very interesting quote. He said,
Narkundi
as soon as the
add Crypto ID back, yeah.
Yeah. So he had said, as soon as the suits come in, the party is over. He had said this 2 years, 3 years back. I think now, last 1 year का performance देखें, BTC is up 50%, ETH 45%, BNB 87%, XRP almost 400%, Cardano is up 80%, Link is up 50%. If you compare this to S&P, then even S&P was what, 17% in 1 year? Compare that, like these are 4-5 times S&P returns, which is great. You would kill to get any of these type of holdings if you could in your portfolio without doing anything, without doing leverage, just by holding on to mega caps, you could have got this. Obviously, most people have gone into page 2, page 3, and ICOs, जो भी है. I think slow burner continue रहेगा, and जो micro caps हैं वो सब उड़ते जाएंगे, and eventually we'll see a bull, but not what previous 3 or 4 cycles have been. It's going to continue at a slow pace, and जिसका patience है, they will reap the benefits.
तू अभी बता कि बिटकॉइन का बुल मार्केट तेरे को खत्म लग रहा है क्या? ये बता तू।
नहीं उसने बोला खामोशी से ईमान रखो।
खामोशी से ईमान। That's my take. अगर आपका horizon is like 1 month, maybe it's over for you. If your horizon is more than 6 months, a year, I think it's going to be better.
Next year, like 365 days from now, you कितना you would say कि Bitcoin यहाँ से like 100% up होगा?
I don't know, but I think it's going to be better from here because all the news about tokenization, about treasury, all of that is bullish. So maybe
तो मतलब आ रहा है तो I was right, bear market आने वाला है।
ये डिलीट कर देंगे एपिसोड।
बोल दिया उसने
YouTube में कि
I'm taking such a massive short right now, ना तो आइडिया ही नहीं है। Going to zero.
This is financial advice.
If you remember, guys, I told you मैं कल short लेने के mood में हूँ because Adil was very bullish on FOMC yesterday, and I did not take a short because I did not trust my intuition, and exactly that happened. The market bloody tanked. We could have made shitload of money, but yeah, I should have trusted.
Now since Adil has given us a 1 year view, right? I have a strong feeling 2 महीने में आएगा quantum computing आएगा. Google बोलेगा भी quantum computing, they break through Bitcoin goes to zero.
Bro, वो already चाइना के कोई स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उन्होंने already कर दिया है. They are already breaking out the BTC encryption quantum computing के through.
Best.
ये ले, तो यानी मतलब कि अपने पास 2 महीने ही हैं बस कि जो करना है।
नहीं it means go short, bro, go short. Not right now. Right now, I'd say for at least this week, just stay out of the market and be careful because it's going to keep moving in the same ranging idea. उसके बाद देखते कहाँ जाता है।
Crypto Daddy, तू क्या बोल रहा है?
मेरा assessment ये है कि market, I don't think the bull market is over, but yes, a healthy correction is in play. And if you guys remember, I shared a couple of charts with you guys, Raved and Kunal, I think about a week back, जिसमें I was showing BTC का trend, right? और मैं तुम लोग को यही बोल रहा था कि यार ये जो 4-year cycle है, that has sort of, yes, there is an argument कि क्या वो change हो गया या नहीं, but I think that it has. And there is this trend that BTC is making, right, where it's making like 30% correction and then starts to move back up. And like Kunal said, 98 is the sort of figure that we're looking at, and exactly my opinion as well, 98K is the corrected value that we could see in the very near future. I'm not going to say कि आज कल में हो जाएगा, but I think in the next couple of weeks we might revisit those points. That is why you see all these big KOLs pushing out कि भाई BTC is going to go down, have a healthy correction. They are all looking at the same bloody chart. Okay, there's going to be a healthy correction. Right.
The chart, the daily, they're like always down right now. It's like it's trending downwards over a period of time. So
actually,
yeah, but you have to also look at the 21-week EMA and how BTC is basically sort of touching the 50-week and then moving back up, right? So which is why you won't see like a massive bear downwards movement. 98K is a very strong support. There's a lot of liquidity lying there. Jahan se wapas we can push back up. If that breaks, we can see maybe around 88, 89K. Again, 72, 73K is the least we could see, right? But all in all, that will be a really healthy correction because uske baad phir usne wapas gradually wapas move upper karna hai. And like we were discussing yesterday, it's going to be maybe not this year, maybe the first quarter of 2026 is where, we start seeing the move upwards, because if you see all of this will coincide with the QT ending, the space between QT and QE, and then BTC eventually rising slowly after QE. So wo sara, basically, if you look at all the timelines, it's all going to coincide. So maybe by next year, first quarter, you start to see the move up. But in the short term, interim, you have to be very careful, especially if you're leveraging. You have to be careful how you are trading, right? It's going to be very risky. Ek din mein, there are moves that are moving 5-10% up and down, also moving 15-20% up and down. So leverage mein, you have to be a little careful. In terms of what Adil said regarding S&P, making a boom this year of, let's say, 70%. You also have to understand that, right? So you also have to understand that S&P right now is in a boom market, right? It's not something that happens all the time. It's in the AI boom right now. Like you had the credit card boom and all the .com bubble, the .com boom. Then you had the blockchain boom at one point in time. Right now, it's in the AI boom. This is not something that is going to happen all the time. Yes, it's going to continue maybe for another year or so while this AI boom is going to happen. But after a while, and then it's going to plateau until something new comes up, and then, there's a new boom into the markets. So it's not like, that because the suits have come in, the markets are going to go down and, people will prefer S&P. No, it's just that this current period of time, we have so much happening right now. You have AI, you have RWAs, and then you have the integration with the blockchain. So you have that sort of boom, but eventually this is all going to plateau. And then you'll have something new coming in where, you'll end up making a lot more money, and people are going to move eventually to that.
हाँ भाई, रियलिस्ट जो बचा के रखी तूने पूरी इतनी देर, बता दे भाई क्या चल रहा है तेरे दिमाग में?
मैं तो यार अभी so we are talking about us maybe breaching the 100K to the downside, then we are talking about 80K, then we are also talking about 70K. So that's effectively a 40% correction from highs. Then if you're looking about that, that's a bear market. So if you're talking about a bear market, then obviously we'll rise. उसके बाद तो ऊपर जाएंगे eventually. But we're talking about whether there is going to be a structural trend shift or not. I don't think there's enough data around that point. Yes, technically, historically, after QT ends, Bitcoin does start forming its local tops, right? But that is also the time when alts sort of bottom and sort of push for their final move up. And if we think about it, all of crypto gains historically have been made, or I would say the mad gains have always been made in a very short period of time. They have not really been made over a very, very long period of time. It's not that tokens have rallied endlessly for 2 years. It's never been the case. It's usually happened. I mean, we saw a glimpse of that end of 2023 when we sort of saw everything sort of 3-4xing in a matter of weeks. So all of crypto gains are usually made in a short period of time. This cycle is still pending. BTC top is around this time. I mean, it should be within this month or at best Q1 of 2026. I kind of feel that given if we are to take what happened in the previous cycles and marry that with the BTC sort of price action right now, then what we're looking at is, yes, BTC does start topping out eventually. The main correction happens in 2026, and 2026 turns out to be the entire bear market. But within 2026, the first segment is most likely going to be alt led, because अभी क्या है कि although alts are the consensus trade, BTC was never the consensus trade, which is why BTC ended up rallying, which is why the entire market today, आज के दिन में, and Mr. Sadhguru is right, like the KOLs have also turned bearish, right? So, I mean, it's not that the KOLs have any pulse on the market, right? They don't. They are also effectively going with, मतलब आज बोला है कल बेर है का zero insight on what the markets are doing, right? So I don't know whether that I mean, definitely, but that is something that I'm also seeing. Like suddenly CT has become completely CT for everyone in crypto Twitter. So CT has become fairly bearish, and this has suddenly happened, right, over the past sort of 48 to 72 hours. But इसके बीच में मुझे अभी भी यही लग रहा है that पहले consensus alts था, consensus कभी BTC था ही नहीं, तो BTC भागा, ठीक है. फिर BTC जब consensus बन गया, ETH ignored asset बन गया, फिर ETH suddenly भागना शुरू हुआ, and ETH is still underperforming BTC in terms of what it does in a particular cycle. अभी क्या है कि धीरे धीरे ये कंसेंसस बन रहा है कि ऑल्ट साइकिल तो कभी नहीं आ रहा. अब तो KOLs भी टूट गया, वो बोल रहे कि नहीं आ रहा ऑल्ट. अब ऐसे चीजें होने लग गई है कि KOLs ये बोल रहे मैंने तो शुरू में ही बताया था तुम्हें ऑल्ट साइकिल कभी आएगा ही नहीं, राइट? सो ऑल ऑफ देम हु वर पेंडिंग कि ऑल्ट आने वाला है, अब बोल रहे कि हमने तो शुरू से ही बता रखा है तुम्हें ऑल्ट कभी नहीं आने वाला है. So that is now becoming the consensus. One thing that obviously I don't know if anyone's equipped to say that ये कब होगा ये नहीं पता, but I kind of feel that a non-BTC rally, which is अब वो ETH मुझे पता नहीं 10,000 जाएगा कि नहीं. अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है शायद ETH 7,500 पे ही टॉप आउट कर जाए, right? Because if we look at ETH BTC ratios now, if ETH is if the ETH BTC ratio maybe goes to maybe like a 0.05ish and BTC trades at 120, then you're effectively looking at a top of 6,000, right? It's mathematical that way. तो अब ये नहीं पता कि ETH 10,000 जाएगा कि नहीं. अब ये नहीं पता ऑल्ट्स अपने प्रीवियस लाइफ टाइम हाइस तोड़ के वहां से 4-5x हो जाएंगे कि नहीं. बट I would say a secular rally in the sense a broad-based market rally is due, and more as the cycle is ending right now. Usually crypto के mega gains बहुत short time पे ही बनते हैं. अब that time is obviously fairly less right now. It could be 2 months, it could be 3 months. That entire rally will probably be that much. जैसे October 2023 की भी rally lasted for 3 months only. Like by Jan everything was finished, right? Mid Jan everything was finished. So it could be a short-lived rally, but I kind of feel a relief rally is due there because QT has ended. BTC इसी टाइम पे टॉप आउट करता है, ऑल्ट्स भी इसी टाइम पे बॉटम बनाते हैं, एंड ऑल्ट्स यहीं से भागना शुरू करता है और BTC लगभग करेक्ट करना, मतलब टॉप आउट एक कंसोलिडेशन फेज प्लस माइनर डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड शुरू कर देता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई फील कि दैट सो 2026 एक्सट्रीम हम जो बात कर रहे हैं, दैट एंटायर ईयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ बेयर ईयर, राइट? इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ हेवीली बेयरिश ईयर. But right now I feel that relief rally in alts, and I'm including ETH and alts as well, it's the king of alts. उसमें मेरे हिसाब से तो एक व्यू है, स्पेशली अब CT भी कंसेंसस बेरिश बन चुका है, एंड मोर लगभग सबके ही हौसले टूट चुके हैं. तो अभी देखने में आ रहा है.
But you know the interesting thing is whenever CT gets bearish ना, फिर एक random green candle आ जाएगा. Will be a random candle to just go against.
Correct. I don't know. मतलब exactly आप जो कह रहे हो वही है, but अभी you are absolutely right. Suddenly CT has become bearish, and all the bulls have now broken. हाँ, who were long are now finished. वो बोल रहे हैं भैया हम तो पहले से ही बोल रहे थे कभी आने ही नहीं वाला था. So it's very surprising, but ये देखने को मिल रहा है अभी. I kind of feel that एक relief rally है. I don't know whether we'll become 100x from here or not. वो नहीं पता, but एक relief rally definitely looks pending. I think the suits, how Adil mentioned, suits are probably playing with our brains here, right? Because there is accumulation happening here. If you still look at it, alts have bottomed, right? Everything has bottomed, chalo, and everything is crashing. But still, if you look at top 100 CMC, they are still multi-million dollar MCAPs यार. तो कहीं तो है ना पैसा. And like we were discussing कुछ दिन पहले, अगर गोल्ड जैसा एसेट, ठीक है, जो डेड एसेट है, पिछले 20 सालों से डेड एसेट था, 20 सालों से, ये नहीं 5 सालों से, 20 सालों से डेड एसेट था. S&P तो चलो has always been a front run, right? गोल्ड डेड एसेट $15 ट्रिलियन का एसेट अगर एक साल में 30 ट्रिलियन हो सकता है. 15 ट्रिलियन का पैसा घुस सकता है उसमें. वी आर अ $2 ट्रिलियन मार्केट यार. हम तुम क्या लगता है 2 से 4 नहीं जा सकते हम. आई काइंड ऑफ फील देयर इज इनफ मनी इन द वर्ल्ड.
ऑन चेन accumulation चल रहा है.
नहीं, थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने एक बंदे का रिव्यू देखा तो उसने यही बोला था कि ये जो मार्केट कैप की जो हम वो रखते हैं ना एक स्टैंडर्ड कि यार ये 2 बिलियन से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता, या 3 बिलियन से ऊपर नहीं जा सकता, ये 4 ट्रिलियन नहीं जा सकता, ही वाज लाइक दिस इज अ स्टैंडर्ड दैट्स जस्ट बेसिकली होल्डिंग यू डाउन आपको, बिकॉज क्या है कि फ्रेड तो पैसा छाप रहा है ना दबा के, वो तो प्रिंट करे जा रहा है, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू दैट, राइट? तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि देखो आज कल एनवीडिया जो है वो $5 ट्रिलियन कंपनी हो गई, इट्स बिगर देन मैनहट्टन एंड न्यूयॉर्क टुगेदर, राइट? मतलब वो इतना पैसा आ गया एक कंपनी में, राइट? They are like this is not a metric that you look at कि कितना ऊपर जाना है. This is just a number right now.
When there is mania, money will find its way. When there is mania, money will find its way, and usually people will look for that asset class which hasn't rallied. Simple. Because वहाँ पे क्या ना पैसे बनने के chances ज़्यादा है. There are less people to dump on you. Exactly. Like there are more people to dump on you right now. अगर BTC आप खरीदते हो इस लेवल पे, या चलो Nvidia खरीदते हो इस लेवल पे, थोड़ा एक्सट्रीम एग्जांपल लेते हैं. There are more people there to dump on you because अभी क्या है कि you will be exit liquidity if you are buying. So people smart money will look for कहाँ पे exit liquidity मैं नहीं बनूंगा और कहाँ पे है ना बीटा कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिल सकता है.
See, well, there's one issue. कि अभी क्या है ना, generally what you see is that जब ये rally आता था in the past, right? You have sort of like QE playing around the same time when the rally happens, more or less. अच्छा, ये बार क्या हुआ है? Rate cut हो रहा है, okay? Like right now Fed cut 25 bips yesterday, okay?
Yeah.
But at the same time they stated that the cut in December might not happen. अच्छा, just on that.
Correct.
You saw how gold reacted. Gold सीधा fell to 3.15 के आसपास पहुंच गया. Okay. So what's happening over here is that there's a serious issue that people are mostly ignoring the balance sheet reduction. While everyone is staring at rate cut numbers, the Fed is still withdrawing $95 billion from the market every month, right? So this is like a swimming pool with the drain fully open.
Correct.
So the drain is open, the water level is not rising; it's only falling.
Fair enough.
Although तेरा bips नीचे जा रहा है, same time में तेरा जो treasury yield है, the curve inversion जो वहाँ पे हो रहा है, is deepened by almost 1.8%. Okay, so that means
from current interest rates basically.
Correct. तो उसका मतलब you're causing like a safe haven capital to rush on long-term bonds. कि yield से निकल के bond में जाओ. Okay, and also when real interest rates are rising, and gold of course has no interest rate as such on it, it instantly becomes an asset for people to abandon. कि मेरे को यहाँ से मिलेगा yield अच्छा मिलेगा, gold पे नहीं मिलने वाला है, upside हो गया मेरा, so golds are following. Now, the trick mainly is how to use in this market, because it's not like a straightforward market where everything is going like clockwork like last time. Whether it's the stock market or the crypto market, right? It's like all signals are all mixed at this point. So
I think the signals are. Sorry, finish. आप खत्म करो पहले.
तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि hedge funds are right now already pushed. जो hedge funds है, if you see them like or at probably on a larger scale, they've all been pushing short right now. Okay, when the rate cut is happening, they're not taking a long at the time when it's happening. People are also shorting gold futures at the same time, which is the highest level, I think, in a year. So even there are जो stock markets are sort of showing a bearish trend in terms of how it's reacting to rate cuts versus having a positive, what do you call, outlook towards it, which is not necessarily जैसा होता है. तो क्या है इस situation में to judge whether it's like the market is reading a correction coming in, whether it's a stock market. अगर stock market गिरा तो crypto always falls along with it. At the same time, the rate cuts are coming, but they're not really helping liquidity at the same time. So it's like right now, mainly like rightly said, is everyone's just waiting for the retail investors to take their bags. Okay, जितना rate कटेगा, उतना the retail आते जाएगा. So mainly क्या होगा कि right now where your perception and reality is diverging is that the market is probably going to be using a collapse to correct the illusion in the short run. It's what my read is of the stock market, and I feel कि जो stock market में होता ही है, it definitely comes and affects the crypto markets, mainly BTC को गिरेगा, सब गिरेगा साथ में. So my read is कि I see let's say a correction in the stock markets, a correction in the crypto markets before we see a rally coming in, versus us seeing more upside at this point in the next 3 to 6 months.
So you mentioned 3 critical points, right? Number one, there's this depegging between interest rates and treasury yield, right? So the reason why treasury yields are currently falling, especially 2 year, is because people are buying 2-year treasury yields at this point of time, right? More and more people buying bonds is effectively causing the yield to go down, right?
Yeah.
So it basically is signaling that let me be risk. Like today, Warren Buffett is probably one of the largest holders of treasury assets, right? So, and I think the 11th or the 12th largest treasury holder, in fact, is Tether, right? So, which is our industry in a way. They are probably holders of US treasury as well. So, anyway, diverging from that point, to getting back to that point, is that 2-year treasury and interest rates are depegged, and Fed often follows US 2-year treasury yield. The reason is because they want to govern short term where the money goes, right? Whether the money goes into risk off or risk on. The fact that yields are falling, which basically means everyone is still risk off, which basically means people are still better off for the next 2 years earning, say a small or a guaranteed yield on their bonds instead of going and purchasing anything else. Now that's a good. So eventually interest rates will sort of get or sort of catch up to it. Number two, you mentioned it's a bathtub with the drain open, which basically means even though interest rates are being cut, because QT is still happening and because open market operations are still being conducted by the Fed, so they are still sort of sucking out liquidity away from the market, right? Which basically means they are essentially selling more and more treasuries at this point of time and sucking liquidity out, right? Which is why you're probably seeing 2-year treasury yields on the downside.
Yeah.
Now the play here for me is, yes, we are seeing that gold shorts are at a highest. Does not mean that the gold market has ended, right? Just because shorts have built up there, it's pretty much like everyday markets, right? Shorts have built up because people feel it's become overheated because gold has doubled in the past 1.5. It's a speculation bet, right? So that does not mean that the gold market has stopped. The stock markets, on the other hand, is a different scenario altogether, because we are looking at the kind of valuation stretches that we are seeing today is massive, right? So there could definitely be a correction there, but जो आप बता रहे हो कि it's very confused right now. I kind of feel that gold did not double because there was a narrative aligned. Gold is today the talking point of the market. Nobody was talking about gold 2 years back while gold was making this up move. Nobody was talking about it, right? Everybody was like, why invest in gold? I'd rather invest in the stock markets, right? But today what's happening is many people of the stock markets are probably bag holders right now, and these will become the long-term bag holders. They will become the community members of a lot of these stocks, right? A lot of NVIDIA community members are getting created right now, is what I feel, right? But on the other hand, gold has just shown us what an under-owned asset can do जब उस पे नजर पड़ती है सबकी, right? And it suddenly doubles. BTC has become a consensus trade right now because it's become talk of town. But nobody was talking about it back in 2022, 2023. Even when ETFs were getting announced, everyone was calling the top at every level. I remember KOLs were calling the top at 50K. I remember KOLs calling the top at 75K, right?
Bro, Germany sold all
exactly
at 58.
Exactly. And then a couple of months back, I was reading that Germany and France are now thinking of accumulating BTC treasury.
Yes.
So तुमने पहले 70-75 पे बेच दिया, वही ना, you sell at 75 and now you're buying back at 120. Right? So I kind of feel वही अब FOMO हो रहा है. तो मेरे हिसाब से in the alt market, in the broader sort of high beta market, the trade is pretty clear. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी मुझे ये नहीं लग रहा है कि ये confused trade है. Like smart money does not care about where the yields are at, because अगर yields की बात करते, why were they buying gold? Gold retail ने नहीं खरीदा है. गोल्ड रिटेल ने नहीं खरीदा है. गोल्ड अब रिटेल के नजर में आया, और अब रिटेल क्या बोल रही है, बहुत महंगा हो गया है, थोड़ा सस्ता हो गया फिर खरीदता हूँ.
नहीं ब्रो, दिवाली सब नहीं लिया, दिवाली के लिए पंप हुआ था.
दिवाली की वजह से $15 ट्रिलियन का मार्केट कैप नहीं क्रिएट हो जाता. दिवाली की बाइंग हर साल होती है. इंडियन हाउसहोल्ड्स आर सम ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट. Indian households are some of the largest holders of gold, right? But that has never, but they were the largest holders of gold even when gold was at $500. They are still the largest holders of gold even when gold is at $3,000 today, or was recently at $4,000. So the idea is that buying is not influencing the market. Retail speculation has not brought the gold market from 2K to 4K. It was central banks buying. Today, 25% of central bank balance sheets is gold. It's obviously not the highest ever. The highest ever has been 75%. But आज के दिन में भी ये बहुत सारा है. So smart money and institutions were buying. and which is what led to this gold short squeeze rather supply squeeze.
China is buying heavily.
हाँ, China is buying every day. China यार आज के दिन में
China has been buying since 10 years, bro. China has been buying since 10 years. Accumulating slowly and gradually since the last 10 years.
नहीं अभी तो मतलब कुत्ता भगाया after they had tariff war उसके बाद तो they were just like gone crazy.
Exactly. तो similar story मेरे हिसाब से that's what I feel rest of the crypto market में भी बन सकती है because नजर नहीं है वहां पे अब किसी की और अब धीरे धीरे उस जगह को एकदम इग्नोर कर दिया बैरन लैंड बना दिया उसको.
One thing that nobody is actually looking at are these alt ETFs that are on the way, right?
Correct.
Like, you know, when we talk about those undervalued assets, these are the ones that we should be looking at. Like abhi Solana and Litecoin. Litecoin is a shit token, right? Like nobody cares about Litecoin.
Correct.
But that ETF is on the way, right?
Litecoin के फाउंडर ने भी बोला था कि यार मैंने क्यों क्रिकेट किया, मैं खुद ही वो कर लेता, BTC खरीद लेता.
ठीक है. So Litecoin लेकिन Litecoin ETF आ रहा है. Solana ETF is almost there. ठीक है. You have XRP ETF pending, right? These are your top 5-6 CMC assets, right? Leaving
यार मुझे एक बात बताओ, You are an XRP maxi. मुझे एक बात बताओ, अब जैसे वेस्टर्न यूनियन ने भी सोलाना के साथ टाई अप कर लिया, राइट? स्विफ्ट है ना, स्विफ्ट ने लिनिया को चुन लिया, है ना? तो मुझे बताओ XRP का यूज केस क्या बचा?
यार टू बी ऑनेस्ट, वैसे I'll be honest with you, ये कल के बाद से तो मैं भी परेशान हो गया. मैंने यार ये क्या मजाक है. Then I heard a news कि Swift paid Western Union I think $70 million for a 6-month contract.
Solana paid 25 exclusivity
for a 6-month exclusivity contract.
Yeah.
To be honest, ये सारे वो ये देखो, ये we've been in the crypto space before. We know what partnership announcements are.
Yeah.
Doesn't necessarily mean that when you're building a protocol, you have like 6 oracles that you partner with. We're partnering with क्या कहते हैं, Link also. We're partnering with Band also. We're partnering with let's say whoever it is. But you eventually use just one oracle to use for your platform, right? And most of the time it was Link or Band at that point, up to Band medium, but Link most of the time. So I think XRP is pretty much the same. ये Solana हो गया या Linia हो गया. Yes, they need to push themselves up. So yes, there is a marketing cost that is involved. They end up doing these partnership announcements and all of that. But is that really what's going to happen in the future? We don't know, right?
Put your money where your mouth is. Buy some XRP,
right?
Bro.
Yeah, I am on XRP, bro. I have spot XRP that's been lying since like what $1.20. So that's okay. So
he's
the
a
thing
big
is,
backholder.
So the thing is that with XRP, you have to understand that yes, they are not frontline marketing. Like they're not pushing everything. If we're doing this, we're doing that, we're doing this. But at the back end, they have been building constantly. You have Brad sitting almost everywhere, important, and discussing. So in the back end, things are happening. Eventually, it will happen. But you have to stick to it.
Brad is building, bro. Brad is the man.
Brad is building, bro. He's the man.
He's building.
He's the people of smart. He's the man of smart people.
नावेद का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पेंडिंग है अभी. हाँ, नावेद का मार्केट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पेंडिंग है.
मैं ये बोल रहा था कि अगर मैं तुमसे ये शेयर करूं जस्ट न्यू थ्योरी कि ये तुम्हारे सोशल मेंशंस हैं, राइट? ठीक है. These are at an all-time low. This is like your past 5 years. Past 5 years में जो तुम्हारे Bitcoin के यानी like your social mentions for crypto and Bitcoin is at an all-time low, and we are almost at 100K, right? 107K. Last जो spike आया था वो August में आया था. That is when coincidentally profit went bearish. So मुझे नहीं लगता कि अभी it is like bearish like at all. I would say.
Can I question one thing on this social mention, right? So social mentions does not really mean bullish movement or bearish movement, right? Because people could be mentioning bearish as well on socials, and it's just going to create a spike.
If you see this chart, whenever there are big spikes, right? You go to trends.google.com पे चले आना. Whenever there are big spikes, ये जो तू big spikes देख रहा है, these are at all times when the market has been pumping in the past 5 years. Like Bitcoin is like touched like either a local top or a cycle top. जब वो हो रहा होता है, तब ये spikes आ रहे होते हैं तेरे. So this shows some kind of momentum. Like I mean, it's not like pretty accurate, right? बट दिस शोज सम काइंड ऑफ मोमेंटम. लाइक नॉर्मल तू सब कुछ देख रहा है, पर आज के डेट में अगर तू देख तो रिटेल अभी तक आया ही नहीं है. इट कैन नॉट हैपन कि बिना रिटेल आए साइकिल टॉप लग जाए. आई कैन नॉट बिलीव दैट. लाइक आई डोंट थिंक सो. एंड अभी तक ये लोग रिटेल को खींच नहीं पाए, और किस तरह खींचेंगे आई डोंट नो. बट लाइक विदाउट दैट साइकिल टॉप नहीं, क्योंकि जब तक रिटेल नहीं आएगा ये अपना माल किसको बेचेंगे? दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन. कि
यार तेरा इशू क्या है is in this cycle versus the last few cycles, right? Last couple of cycles is the amount of money that's rolling in leverage, okay, is probably 10x of what used to happen in the last cycle below. So the thing is, जो तेरे market makers है, पहले क्या था, incentive क्या था? Move Bitcoin prices up there, public को top लो, move altcoins, get altcoin values high, sell altcoins and buy more BTC. That was the strategy that used to happen, because that's the only way they can acquire more wealth. Right? इसमें क्या है, वो जरूरत ही नहीं है to go to the other, or even top BTC out, because you're hitting sort of like a price. Like the last for the liquidation, you are like $19 billion, the largest liquidation in the history of crypto on one given day. They cashed out. You don't have to go for a market top or to rally the market anymore, because public are sitting on leverage so heavily right now in this cycle कि तू leverage को कटा के तो पैसा बना देगा. You don't have to go on to running the what you call token up to get retail in. You just kill them already in advance.
See, that is, I understand this sentiment, and like a lot of people have been saying that and moving out of leverage. All those people who are moving out, they will go to spot. But there is like a normal, तेरी जो जनता है वो तो अभी तक आई नहीं है. वो तो आते अभी ये साइकिल में जितने लोगों ने लेवरेज पे पैसे उड़ाए हैं have been the people who like us or who have been in this cycle, who have been in this industry for like past 4-5 years. तेरी नॉर्मल लोग तो अभी तक आए नहीं. कोई आते से फ्यूचर्स नहीं करने लगता. वो उसको एक साइकिल तो लगेगा स्पॉट खेल के, फिर उसके बाद वो इतना कॉन्फिडेंट होगा कि वो फ्यूचर्स खेलेगा, या अनलेस एंड अनटिल कि वो दूसरे उस पे
फिर अनकॉन्फिडेंट होके वापस स्पॉट पे जाएगा.
यस. तो अभी जितनी भी ट्रेडिंग हुई है, जितना भी पैसा इधर उधर गया है, इसके हाथ से उसके हाथ, उसके हाथ से इसके हाथ, वो सब इसी साइकिल में जो ओजीज अपने आप को बोल रहे थे, या जो थोड़े बहुत वेल्स थे, या यानी छोटे प्लेयर्स थे, ये वही है. ये अभी हम आपस में ही कर रहे हैं. एक तेरी जो बाहर की मार्केट है वो तो अभी तक आई नहीं है. अभी क्या वो लोग थोड़ा ETF अगर खरीद रहे हैं, जो लोग खरीदते हैं वो यूएस में ही खरीद रहे हैं ETF. बाकी तो कोई जनता आई नहीं है. बहुत सारी तेरी कंट्रीज तो ऐसी हैं, जैसे अभी इंडिया में अगर तू देख, इट इज देयर बट इट्स लाइक देयर इज स्टिल लाइक नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ रेगुलेटरी क्लैरिटी व्हेन इट कम्स टू दिस. लाइक अभी भी क्या बोलते हैं कि अगर तू देखा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से तो यही पुश है कि वी डोंट वांट टू लेजिटिमाइज बिटकॉइन एंड इथेरियम, जैसे यूएस गवर्नमेंट कर रही है. ठीक है, एक जब वहां से पुश आने लगेगा तेरा, तो ये मार्केट बढ़ेगी. रिटेल तो मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी तक तेरी रिटेल आई नहीं है, और जिस दिन आएगी तब तेरा साइकिल टॉप लगेगा. ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि दिस इज जस्ट लाइक अ मिड साइकिल सॉर्ट ऑफ करेक्शन. आई डोंट सी दिस एज लाइक अ cycle top.
I think we all sort of saying the same thing in different language. We are all expecting a little correction, and we all feel that the market will move up, but it'll move up maybe at a later stage.
It will move gradually up. Like जैसे ईद को इन्होंने 4 महीने में मूव कराया, right? Like what? अगस्त से चालू हुआ था, like अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर. तो वैसे yes.
नहीं, ये एक मिनट मैं कुछ है कर रहा हूँ. ये हफ्ता भाई है जो फिलहाल, ये हफ्ता भाई का ये हालत है. अभी दिखाता हूँ देखो, ये ले भाई.
ये हमारे तो कई सारे भाई है, ये कौन सा भाई है?
ये जो भी कौन सा भाई है भाई, इसने भी ज्ञान दिया हम लोग को.
One thing started share.
Yes.
हाँ, go ahead please, Adila. Go ahead.
ये जो price and जो increase in searches का जो है, it's not necessary that the increase in price is happening after increase in searches. It could be the other way around also, that an increase in price, the percentage change that happens quickly, that's bringing increased searches.
I'm saying that only. Increase in price.
It's at the same time, ना. वो यही बोल रहा है कि it happens mostly at the same time.
ये नहीं बोल रहा है कि search increase से price increase हो रही है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि price increase की वजह से search increase हो रही है. क्योंकि लोग, तेरी retail कब आती है? तो it comes like
जब चीज ऊपर टच हो जाती है, हाँ, जब शोर मच जाता है.
Correct. वही, that is
अभी कोई अगर सर्च नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पे, मतलब कि इट्स नॉट द टॉप, लाइक दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से.
Correct, because I just have one point to add on what Navid is saying, and exactly right कि बाजार कभी एक तो अभी क्या है कि रिटेल नहीं आई है, and we should not have to worry about retail because retail does not move price. Retail does not have any money, right? Retail today is अभी भी आज के दिन में घुसी हुई है. Like we are saying that these KOLs are also effectively retail, right? I mean, they are probably not trading at the size as we guys trade, but they are also trading sizable portions. And उधर क्या है कि they were all folks who lucked into money maybe in the last cycle, right? And they are not experts or they are not market movers by in any way, right? By any definition, they're not market movers. They are people who made money in the last cycle as a result of the market moving. They didn't move the market, right? And that money, as you rightfully said, Navid, has gone to somebody else. राइट दैट मनी वो पैसा उड़ तो नहीं गया सिस्टम से, किसी और के पास गया. एंड जिस बंदे के पास गया है वो बंदा भी क्रिप्टो नेटिव ही है, या तो वो इंस्टीट्यूशन है, चाहे मान लो वो मार्केट मेकर है, चाहे मान लो वो एक्सचेंज है, किसी ना किसी के पास तो वो गया है. जीरो सम ही गेम है ये. सो समबडी लूजिंग इज समबडीज गेन. अब जिस बंदे ने कमाया है वो तब तक कमा सकता है जब तक बाकी सारे बंदों के उड़ जाए पैसे. फिर तो वो कुछ करेगा ना उन पैसों का. वो पैसों का लेके क्या करेगा, दोबारा माल ही खरीदेगा इस बाजार में. वो कोई बाहर तो जा नहीं रहा है, राइट? सो आई काइंड ऑफ फील दैट रिटेल इज नॉट द क्वेश्चन, राइट? वी डोंट नीड रिटेल टू कम इन राइट नाउ, बिकॉज अगर अभी मान लो ओवरऑल क्रिप्टो मार्केट कैप इज रफली अबाउट व्हाट 2 ट्रिलियन, राइट? फॉर अस टू गो फ्रॉम 2 ट्रिलियन टू 4 ट्रिलियन, रिटेल के पास इतना पैसा नहीं है 2 से 4 लेके जाने के लिए. रिटेल आएगा 4 पे जाएगा जब, तब वहां पे रिटेल आएगा. या तो वो शॉर्ट करेगा वहां पे आके, राइट? या तो रिटेल 4 ट्रिलियन में आके बोलेगा हाँ मेरे को सही लग रहा है, वहां पे रेंज बाउंड कर देंगे और अब वो घुसेगा वहां पे जाके. सो वी डोंट नीड रिटेल राइट नाउ टू फॉर द मार्केट्स टू पम्प, बिकॉज़ ट्रस्ट मी
रिटेल कम्स एट द टॉप. तो अभी तक तेरा रिटेल
एग्जैक्टली एंड कोइंसाइडिंग दैट विद योर सर्चेस, या कोइंसाइडिंग विद योर सर्च इंप्रेशंस, बिकॉज़ रिटेल अभी जैसे बोल रहे हैं ना, रिटेल इज नॉट कमिंग. वी डोंट नीड रिटेल टू कम, वी नीड इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू डू देयर थिंग, बिकॉज़ eventually it is institutions who move markets, whether it's commodities, whether it's bonds, whether it's foreign exchange, whether it's equities, whether it's crypto, right? So retail तो कुछ भी नहीं करेगा. retail end में आएगा, वहां पे 10% के क्रैश पे वो क्रैश चिल्लाएगा और 10% के गेन पे वो टॉप चिल्लाएगा. ये सब करेगा वो खेलेगा बाद में आके, अभी नहीं खेल रहा, वो भी खेलेगा बाद में आके. So we need institutions to do their thing. And yeah, institutions are still probably जैसे BTC भी आज के दिन में अगर वो $15,000 से जो 1.25 पे आया है, ये रिटेल के पैसे से थोड़ी है. हमें तो पता है रिटेल क्या है. रिटेल वो सारे अफ्रीकन हैं जो एयर ड्रॉपर्स हैं, ठीक है? इस टाइप की रिटेल है आज के दिन में भी. वो कहाँ को मार्केट मूव करेंगे यार वो लोग, है ना? उनको तो घर चलाने हैं अपने.
वो वाली रिटेल है, वो BTC या टॉप पॉट्स पे नहीं घुसते,
है ना? वो उसको लगाने हैं $100 में 1 मिलियन टोकन मिल जाए तो उसको वो मिलेगा, या तो ट्रेंचेस में मिलेगा या तो एयरड्रॉप हंटिंग करके मिलेगा. वो और क्या करेगा? तो दैट इज द रिटेल व्हिच इज देयर, बट दैट इज आल्सो लाइक वी डोंट नीड द नॉर्मीज टू कम राइट नाउ. नॉर्मीज विल कम व्हेन, एंड होगा क्या ना कि जब इंस्टीट्यूशंस विल ड्राइव द मार्केट्स अप, दे देमसेल्व्स विल क्रिएट अ नैरेटिव दैट दिस इज द नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग. वो हमको अभी लग रहा है वो नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज उन्होंने किया ही नहीं है. सो वी डोंट नीड रिटेल right now. We just need institutions to keep breaking up, and all the people who've lost money, whether it's the KOLs, by no definition are they experts, right? We all know them. We know some of them personally. We've hung out with some of them, so we know who they are. We know in reality how they think. But people listening to this podcast might not know who they are, right? For them, they are these elusive people. We know them. We've met them. We've hung out with them. We know how they think, right? And so they are not market movers यार. वो भी अपने तरीके के लोग हैं जिनकी लॉटरी की टिकट लग गई. अब जरूरी थोड़ी है ना हर साइकिल लॉटरी की टिकट लगे. सिंपल.
उसको देख रहे हो तुम, साटोशी फ्लिपर को, उसने तो पता नहीं कितने लोगों के पैसे उड़ाए. वो ही इज पर्मा बुल. मार्केट गिरने भी वाली है ना, उसके 1 घंटे पहले भी वो ट्वीट कर रहा होगा कि ये देखिए असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट होने वाला है. उसको
असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल तो वो हर जगह बना देता है, फॉर न्यू करके
हर उस पे
2 लाइनें बना देगा वो.
और उसके फिर उसको देख के अगर कोई खरीद रहा होगा ना, वो परपेचुअली हमेशा लॉस में ही होगा. वो आदमी तो नहीं. अच्छा, इसी बात पे चलो, तुम बोल रहे थे कि एक बात मुझे याद आई कि जो नॉर्मल रिटेल जनता है वो तो अभी ये सब मेगा कैप्स में तो आ नहीं रही. what they are searching is for in the trenches या meme coins. तो एक अपने meme coins जैसे बताओ जो you guys think will do well, like dealer's choice.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is the Guruji's favorite topic.
Yes.
Let's start with Guruji then.
Yes,
Yeah, let's
Guruji
start with-
बताइए अपने.
You see, in my strategic portfolio of meme coins,
Yes.
तो अभी तो फिलहाल I think तेरा pump fund ने सबकी लगा दी है. Nothing which is coming out new unless it's market figure driven is going to give you a return, right? So I'm sticking to the OG meme coins for now, जो maybe probably who were at the start of the cycle या इस cycle के बीच में आए थे, which might run up again. अच्छा तेरा एक तो कौन सा टोकन है ये, एक तो तेरा यूजलेस है, अच्छा, और एक तेरे पास तेरा क्या बोलते हैं अपना एनपीसी है जो इंटरेस्टिंग है, व्हिच इज होल्डिंग, लाइक whether the market is bearish or bullish, the market maker is holding the price. So जब रैली भी आएगा तो वो भी भगाएगा उसको. And third, of course, I love Pepe. तो Pepe hold करूँगा.
Yeah, you do.
Because I am just a Pepe guy. तो
Yeah.
James उनका भाई है.
Yeah, what was that? What was that peanut token that you were so in love with?
Oh my God.
Peanut Phoenix.
Oh my God.
क्या मस्त टोकन था वो peanut.
Yeah.
उसमें
If somebody wants to become a millionaire, if somebody wants to become a millionaire, they need $1 billion and trade peanut on Sadhguru calls. From
One
billionaire, they
peanut
can
is
become
all
millionaire.
Peanut was like a mega bull peanut. बोला अभी यहाँ से घूमेगा, फिर नहीं घूमा, बोला यहाँ से घूमेगा, फिर नहीं, अरे यहाँ से तो कंफर्म घूमेगा, नहीं घूमा साला.
Peanut the squirrel token.
मैं बीच में इंटरजेक्ट करके एक टोकन बोल देता हूँ. अब मुझे तो एक लग रहा है कि बस ट्रम्प टोकन भागेगा भाई, और कुछ भागे नहीं गई है. ट्रम्प टोकन जरूर भागेगा.
Good point.
Good point. क्या तुम और कौन से तुम्हारे नावेद, और कौन से तेरे?
अपन तो ट्रम्प है, या ज्यादा से ज्यादा उसको दया आ गई अपनी बीवी तो मेलानिया भगा दिया उसने. नहीं तो अपना खुद के नाम का टोकन तो भगाएगा वो, बाकी फिर पता नहीं. बाकी डोज तो है ही यार तेरा, पर डोज इज नाउ मेगा कैप. इट्स नॉट लाइक रियली अ मीम काइंड ऑफ थिंग, राइट?
Yeah.
चलो नेक्स्ट
आदिल.
हाँ, तू बता दे कि क्या डूबने वाला है.
भाई take a shot on whatever token he says.
I'm ultra bullish on Pepe, and that's because I'm down 70% on them. So I need to break even.
अरे यार मार दे पेपे को.
Sorry, Kunal.
हाँ भाई, एंथनी.
मेरे लिए एक तो ट्रम्प है. I think that has a lot of potential. World5 वगैरह जो है ना, वो लोग कल मैं बैठ के एक पढ़ रहा था. Apparently there is a new pump fund short kind of protocol that World5 is launching. America.fun या ऐसे करके कुछ है, right? And what they're going to be using, I think, is the Trump token over there. ऐसा कुछ news था. I don't know कितनी सच्चाई है इस बात में. Something like that, and that is highly possible. So Trump has a lot of potential to move up. The second token that I think is Jelly. If you look at Jelly and the way it moves with the market is crazy. Like even today on Bybit, it's the highest gainer, right? So for me, the reason why I do trade Jelly is वो एक दिन में 2 दिन में ऐसे लंबे पंप मारता है, and then it's the perfect shorting opportunity.
भाई,
So I
this is not
constantly trade on
financial
that.
advice, guys. अगर
Yeah, but this is not exactly. Please do not follow my
I'll
lead.
flash it on the screen.
अगर आप
Yes,
जेली
and-
ले रहे हो तो ऐसा है कि आपकी खुद की जेली हो जाएगी फिर.
Correct.
ठीक है, ये मैं वाकई बहुत risky trade है, but I do it because it's so much fun to do.
And please don't think that this is what we do when we are at work. हमारा काम और सीरियस है ये हम. This is not what we do. We don't. Our thesis is not jelly.
हाँ,
This is just me being बाजीगर.
Yes.
Correct. Our funds thesis is very professional. So please don't think that this is what we do.
Realist,
So,
what
yeah.
about you? Are you like coming back into the market, or have you like completely stopped trading? And you
No,
just
I've
started-
always been in sports. That transition. But on a meme perspective, I agree with Mr. Guruji that the way to spot memes right now, I think, is to see which ones have not died, right? Because all of them have gone through their mini cycles, and तो अब देखना पड़ेगा कि मरा कौन नहीं है। उसमें मुझे को भी यही फीलिंग आ रही है दैट एनपीसीज काइंड ऑफ हेल्ड अप वेल इफ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम इंसेप्शन टू नाउ। अगर चार्ट को तुम थोड़ा जूम आउट करके देखो ना, मतलब पिछले 2 साल का चार्ट अगर देखो, तो वो टिपिकल मीम चार्ट नहीं लगता जो ऐसे जाके इट डजंट लुक लाइक अ वेव और इट डजंट। हाँ correct. So I don't know if that were to be a way to judge what is good or bad, I think then this fits the bill. But yeah, that's the only one. और मैं देखो बाकी सब तो ठीक नहीं लगते मुझे तो।
ठीक है, इसी नोट पे आज आई थिंक यहाँ पे खत्म करते हैं। लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब और भी कुछ
Ring the bell icon.
रिंग द बेल आइकन। आई थिंक आज के लिए बहुत डिस्कशन हो गया, बहुत नॉन
You can also
फाइनेंशियल
follow us on Spotify.
हाँ,
बहुत डेंजरस एडवाइस भी निकल चुकी है आज की।
प्लस वी आर ऑन स्पॉटिफाई नाउ एंड एप्पल पॉडकास्ट। So if anyone
Not yet for Apple, but it'll happen soon.
Okay, sorry.
They're asking me for details. I'm like, I can't. I'm busy right now.
Yeah,
but
आज मुझे बोलता है कि dude, Spotify reached out to us. They are asking for our podcast to be, played.
Exclusive deal, sir. So I
Exclusive deal.
Of course.
Yes, of course. चलो,
Yes.
आज के लिए बहुत। Bobs of Crypto episode number 4